Hi there! This is a tutorial on how to make a title change for a page. In this case, this page, which was services slash placements, changed the title to post search support. And what we want is to homogenize the changes, right? And make the URL also be post search support, also the title of the page, right? So what we're going to do is within the page, we can just click in this edit page button. Important to note that it's just edit page, not edit with breakdowns. It's just the edit page, which will take us to the WordPress page editor. We can also go to pages, and in pages, just click here in edit, which is what I'm going to do. Um, Obviously, we select the page and then we click edit. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And let's just give it a moment. Right, so it loaded. So we're going to change the title to this post search support. As you can see here in edit page, the page is still has the legacy title. So what I'm going to do is just change the title right here, right, to post search support. Now this changes the title of the page, which is very important for SEO because the title of the page is something that the search engines actually take note of. But we have not changed the slug, the URL of the page yet, right? Just with this name change, it doesn't change the URL. What we need to do that to achieve that is to click here in the slug. Here in the right sidebar, there is this slug link, or let's call it like this section, right? So we're going to click here in placements, and it will open this little box where literally what we're going to do is just delete what is there and click away, and the system will automatically fill the slug with what we have written in the title, which is in this case post search support. So it's going to adapt this post search support slug URL. And that's all we need to do actually. So what we're going to do then is save the changes, because obviously the changes need to be reflected. And the system is going to create a redirect from the old URL, which is in this case is services slash placements, to the new URL, which in this case is going to be services slash post search support. So I'm going to click OK. And part of also the task was to update the footer link. Let me see that footer link right here in services, right? So instead of placements, it's going to be post search support. So this is achieved. Well, I mean, we already finished with the URL. As you can see, if I refresh, the URL is already post search support. So what we need to do now is to fix the footer, right? And that is a breakdowns thing. I'm going to open the footer in breakdowns. I'm going to hover over breakdowns, then click in open main footer. We can also go to in the dashboard, we can click in breakdowns and then footers, and it will only be one footer, right? This is it. And we can click here in edit in breakdowns. It will take us to the same place, which this is the page that I have opened, right? And we have this footer right here. And what we need to do is to change both the link and the text, right? So instead of placements, I'm gonna paste post search support. And to avoid the redirect, because this is pointing to the old URL, right? I'm going to search for the new URL, which is post search support, and I'm going to select it, and it will change the URL immediately, right? All we need to do then is to save, and that's about it. That's pretty much it. That's all we need to do. Oh, wait, this is services. We have another element here, which is, I think, mobile. It's important to also update this. I'm going to do that real quick, doing the same as we did before. Post search support. And that's it. I'm going to save again. So our changes are there reflected. And that's about it. This is the change that were made. And this is how to do those kind of page title changes and still have them reflect in the website.